Hello Internet friends, my name is Rich. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Toy Isle Alliance YouTube channel. I just want to do a really quick update video on my Star Wars Black Series First Order Army display. I got a couple new figures, the Snoke in his throne, or on his throne I should say, and I got a couple of Praetorian guards as well. And so I've done some rearranging. You may remember from previous videos, I originally had my First Order army underneath the gigantic Black Series TIE Fighter. However, because of Snoke in his throne, it didn't really fit under the TIE Fighter. And because I'm all about symmetry, I have sort of moved these guys to a slightly bigger shelf. I'll come out a little bit. So over here, starting at the left, we have a squadron of First Order Stormtroopers. Then we got a flame trooper back there. There's Snoke and his guards. There is the First Order officer that came in the Akbar 2-pack. There's Phasma. There is Unmasked Kylo. There is Hux. Then we got a squadron of snowtroopers and another flame trooper back there. So I like how this looks. It pains me that I no longer have the TIE Fighter here. Like I said, I'm a slave to symmetry, so maybe if I get another TIE Fighter, I'll have a TIE Fighter on each side of this display. But we'll see. What I'd really like to get are some First Order flags to put in the background, or the if you've seen those space walls, it's a third-party product, and they are essentially Death Star walls that you can use. So that would look really cool behind these guys. But again, just a quick update on my Black Series First Order Army. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, I will see ya.